O, paaalisin nyo doon sa lupa, tatayuan nyo ng kondo. Saan nyo dadalhin yung hindi kayang magbayad sa kondo? O, di homeless na naman yon. Hindi ba unfair sa kanila? Pinaalis mo doon sa lupa na tinatayuan nila, tatayuan mo ng kondo, tapos yung mga mahihirap, wala na naman bahay. You have to reconsider what you're doing. I think it's wrong. Just give them the land. They don't want the condominium. They just want to have a land to build their houses. Oh,
Yun
that's the problem.
Yun po.
Why will you insist on building them condominiums when you can distribute the land to them 500 a month lang? Ang babayaran nila. Why will you insist on building condominium? Dahil kikita ka doon sa contractor ng condominium. Na may porsyento ka doon, kaya pinag-i-insist mo yung condominium. O, bakit nyo ini-insist ang condominium? Payag naman yung mahihirap na i-distribute na lang yung land sa kanila, and that's